If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. A profile in Camera Raw determines the rendering of color and tonality in your Camera Raw images. To view the current Camera Raw profile, click the Edit button in the toolbar at the right side of the Camera Raw dialog box in Photoshop Elements. In the Edit panel that appears to the left of the toolbar, the name of the currently applied profile appears in the Profile drop-down. Note that the profile you select does not change the editing values set by the sliders that appear in the Basic and Detail tabs within this panel. So you can apply a profile either before or after making your editing adjustments to see its impact without worrying about losing your adjustment values. To change the Camera Raw profile, select the name of the profile to apply from the Profile drop-down. Alternatively, to open the Profile panel to apply a profile or manage the profiles, either select the Browse command in the Profile drop-down, or click the Browse Profiles button to the right of the drop-down. In the Profile panel, the name of the currently applied profile appears at the top of the panel. If available, you can use the Amount slider that appears under the name of the profile to change the amount of effect applied by some types of profiles. The available profiles appear in collapsible and expandable groups at the bottom of the panel. For Camera Raw images taken with a camera for which Adobe has matching Camera Raw profiles, the Camera Raw profiles appear within a Camera Matching section. Click the names of each profile group to expand and collapse the names of the profiles within it. To filter the profile groups by treatment, click the More Profile Options button in the upper right corner of the tab and then select either All, Color, or Black and White in the Type section of the drop-down. To change the view of the profiles in the profile groups between a grid or a list, select either Grid or List in the View section of this same drop-down. To apply a profile, click it within its profile group. To mark or unmark a profile as a favorite, click its star icon to toggle its favorite status on or off. Profiles marked as favorites appear in the Favorites profile group. To hide a profile group, right-click the title of the profile group to hide, and then select the Hide Profile Group command to hide the group. To show hidden profile groups, right-click the title of any available profile group, and then select the Reset Hidden Profiles command. To return to the Edit panel after making your changes, click the back arrow button in the upper left corner of the Profile panel. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.